Have visa. Of course, I have visa. I'm in the US. Duh. I'm in the US. I'm not alien. Hoy, I'm in the US or ano. Yeah, but I'm in Kentucky, not in the. I'm in Kentucky. That's far away, right? My swan. My swan. Double. Tukram. How are you doing, Tukram? Getting hot. Everybody's wearing jacket. I was done. Really? Wow. Really? Hmm. Oh my God. Sorry naman. You did? What happened? Oh, for staying with. Oh yeah. Oh, you're spam. Greetings from Kentucky. Who you're from Kentucky, Sir Scott? I'm Kentucky right now. Um, I was on home in the okay, I need to fix it. I need to make over my underarms. Oh, oh. I wanna be. I would like. I saw that one. I emailed you. You do? Thank you, Steven, for follow. What is that? What is that? Like the small one? I think they have that in the mall. I would like to make it my hair. I would like to doing that. I don't if I have time. I don't know if I have time. Ah, Sir Gerald. Bola bola Sir Gerald. You may follow. Oh, Sir Vinny. How are you doing, Sir Vinny? You follow me back again? I mean, you unfollow me? London, Kentucky. Where is that? Never heard that. London, Kentucky. Hmm. See. I saw Sir Chada. I think somebody was muting. Maybe. How you get that? Twilight. What is that? Twilight? What are you? Soraya. Soraya. No. I'm my favorite nail polish. Thank you. Almost done. How was your day? What do you mean? Twilights. Twilights. Lexington. Oh yeah, yeah. Actually, we're all the way there. On the way today, I think. I don't know. Si Ryan, ano si Ryan? May jumping. So, jumping ha? Why jumping for? Bakit nagbaba na siya? Thank you for tapping. It's so warm here. Oh, really? So it's kind of like 1 hour? Yeah, that's 1 hour away, I think. Minimum, including with, including the lights, top lights. Camilos! Oh, I wish I can hide this thing. Big, big. Hey, boy, big. Huh? Boy, big? What is that? Yeah, looks like a man. Nabuang ka dong. Sumpah ko. I think I'm a lady boy. It's really good morning. Oh, it's afternoon. I don't have moderators. I don't have moderator. I'm sorry. So Ryan, thank you for talking, sir. Oh my goodness. Oh, are you waiting? Are you waiting to me now? I moderate. Oh, I had two moderators. Oh, you love me so much talaga, guys. I love you all, guys. I love you all, my moderators. I'm going to show you. Show you what? Show me of what? Sir Bill. Ikaw, Bill, ha? Pagtarong ka, katingin ka ron na. Nagput ka ron. Can you make me a moderator? Really? I'm gonna put you a moderator. You just came here first time, first day. Yan, terus parang, kaya tidak kami bisa, ano kami, no. Oi, yes you are. It's your first. I know who is my people coming to my life. Come on. Oh, like Domingo. I remember that he's coming here today. This is good for stretching. Are you visiting in Kentucky? Living here, actually. But I'm gonna move soon to the Philippines. I know. What I'm saying is like I need the moderator like really nice time. This is what you're gonna do. If you would like to be a moderator, send my this one. Subscribe this one first and send me the lion. So no. No, it depends to my moderator. Actually, they are my boss. They are my manager. They are the owner of this account. I just using it.